the grain mill abandoned silo. Here ripping the abandoned silo here in good old Lincoln, about 10 minutes from where I live. This place has got some awesome gaps. We got a lot of power lines too, so we gotta be real careful. But this is an old abandoned grain mill silo, and you can see there's a lot of power lines, so we just gotta be real careful flying out here. But man, I know it's gonna make some awesome footage. The owner's wife actually stopped by while we were out here. You see the fence is wide open. And she asked if we had permission to fly out here. We told her no. We said we just stopped by. And she was super cool, real nice. Told us that, you know, as long as we are under the impression that if we damage any of our equipment out here, they're not liable, which we were like, oh yeah, like if we damage anything, that's on us. And she said that we could fly here. We had permission to fly here. So awesome thing. I'm so glad that we got permission to fly here. Now let's go ahead and rip this silo.
Rip it.